Now this is chapter number 12, and here topic number 12.5.2 IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes. Here means specially 4 different type of category will come. Here the first category straight chain hydrocarbon, this one. Second category branch chain hydrocarbon, and third category nomenclature of branch chain alkane. Nomenclature of branch chain alkane. In case of nomenclature of branch chain alkane, here we have to follow some rule. In case of nomenclature of branch chain alkane, here we have to follow some rule. So first one is see the longest carbon chain, in the molecule is identified. Suppose if any compound will be given, clear, in first condition the longest carbon chain in the molecule is identified. Clear? In the example, see, this is example number 1 given below. The longest chain has 9 carbon. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is condition 1. And दूसरे में देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो see in second condition 8 carbon and in first condition 9 carbon. Therefore first one is perfect. Therefore here we can say that first one is perfect. It means if any organic compound will be given, clear, then first of all we have to find out here longest continuous carbon chain. In this example 1 given below, the longest chain has 9 carbon and it considered as parent or root chain. इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Parent as well as root chain. The selection of parent chain as shown in 2 is not correct because it has only 8 carbon. See, whenever this type of structure will be given, if this type of structure will be given, then in condition 1, in longest continuous carbon chain, 9 members are there, and here in second condition 8 members are there. So first one is correct and second one is wrong. Clear? So suppose if you are interested to find out naming in case of branch chain alkane, then here two situations will be there. So first of all find out longest continuous carbon chain. First of all find out longest continuous carbon chain. Just like see condition 1 as well as 2. Now second condition, second one, the number is done in such a way that the branch carbon atom gets the lowest possible number. Your numbering will start in such a way that see first rule determine longest continuous carbon chain. The second rule, here numbering will start in such a way that branch carbon atom gets lowest possible number. See, this is situation 1, condition 1 9, and this one is again means condition 2. But here see, here in branching, so this one is ethyl and this one is methyl. Clear? One carbon is methyl and second carbon is again we can say that ethyl. In second condition, see, the carbon atom of the parent chain are numbered to identify the parent alkane to locate the position of carbon atom. Clear? Here we have to find out position of carbon atom. Now at which branching take place? तो कहाँ पे branching हो रहा है? 2 as well as आपका 6 और इधर पे क्या है? 4 as well as आपका 8. Clear? The numbering is done in such a way that branch carbon atom get the lowest possible number. तो यहाँ पे ब्रांचिंग के लिए 2 और 6 आता है, इधर पे 4 और 8 आता है, तो 4 और 8 is less preferable as compared to 2 and 6. So thus numbering in the above example should be from left to right. Clear? And not we can say that from right to left. It means see, whenever this structure will be given, then numbering will start from we can say that left to right. Numbering will start here we can say that from left to right. So this is correct, but right to left. So this one is again we can say that wrong. Clear? First condition determine longest continuous carbon chain. Second condition, here numbering will start in such a way that means carbon which is related with respect to branching, it should consist least number of hydrocarbon chain. In C, left to right, here branching is related with 2 and 6, but right to left branching is related 4 and 8. So this one is less preferable. So this is second rule. First rule, determine longest carbon chain. Second rule is related with respect to here branching, lowest possible branching number. Then third one, see, तो third one क्या आएगा? The name of alkyl group. Now it is related with respect to naming. The name of alkyl group attached on branch are then prefixed to the name of parent alkane, and position of substituents is indicated by appropriate number. Clear? The name of alkyl group attached as a branch are then prefixed to the name of parent alkane, and position of substituents is indicated by appropriate numbering. If different alkyl groups are present, if in branching different alkyl groups are present, then here we are listing on the basis of alphabetical order. Here we are listing on the basis of, we can say that here means alphabetical order. देख जैसे अब ये इथाइल है और ये मिथाइल है ना, 2 और 6 पे क्या है आपका मिथाइल एंड इथाइल, तो एबीसीडी में पहले कौन आता है? ई. Therefore during writing name, first of all we are writing name of ethyl and then after methyl. So correct naming will be 6-ethyl, 2-methyl, no name. Here we can say that 6-ethyl and then after we can say that 6-ethyl and then 2-methyl, no name. So these are 3 important rules. Clear? So these are again we can say that 3 important rules are there. है ना? First one is longest continuous carbon chain. Second one is numbering will start in such a way that the branching is related with respect to lowest number. Third one, name of branching related alkyl group will be decided on the basis of here alphabetical order. So these are 3 important rules. Clear? Now we will discuss here this fourth one. So now here यहाँ पे कितने हैं? तो total 6 rules are given. So now we will discuss here this fourth rule. Now in case of fourth rule, see, if structure is too much complicated, in case of fourth rule, here how many rules are there? So see, during writing here rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then after see 6 rules are there. 1, 2 and 3 will be again is completed. Now in fourth condition, see, if 2 or more identical substituents, if 2 or more identical substituents groups are present, then number are separated by comma. Then number are separated by, we can say that here is comma. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? If 2 or more identical substituents are present, then numbers are here separated by comma. The name here, the name of identical substituents are not repeated. Instead prefix such as di means for 2, tri means for, we can say that 3, and 4 means tetra, and 5 means penta, and 6 means hexa are used here. So writing the name of the substituents in alphabetical order, these prefix however are not considered. So thus the following compounds are named. चलो यहाँ पे मैं condition बोलूँ. Here means see how many means carbon is there 5, and at 2 and 4 number methyl group is there. So how many times methyl will come? 2 times. Therefore here we are writing di. So here means 2,4-dimethyl pentane is there. So this one is 2,4-dimethyl pentane. How many times here methyl will come? 2. That's why we are writing here is 2,4-dimethyl pentane. Same condition will be here. First of all, longest continuous carbon chain, then methyl, methyl, methyl. So how many times methyl will come? 3. Therefore here we are writing tri. Di means 2 and tri means again we can say that 3. और suppose आपका क्या आता है? 4 आता है. Here we can say that tetra will come. चलो यहाँ पे जैसे दूसरा एग्जांपल है. In situation 4 जैसे ये है. तो here CH3, CH2 and then after CH, and here CH2, CH3. Similarly C, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So first of all find out longest continuous carbon chain. Here longest, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then after 7 will be there. At 3 number ethyl will come. At 3 number ethyl and 4 number methyl. So why we are writing here means numbering from left to right. Now from rule number 1, 2 and 3 it is clear in your mind. Clear? Why we are writing here means 1, 2, 3 and why we are writing numbering from left to right. It is again we can say clear from rule number 1, 2, 3. Here correct name will be 3-ethyl. So this one is 3-ethyl and then after 4 dimethyl. Clear? And this one is heptane. Correct? तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या था सेम टाइप ऑफ मीन्स ब्रांच मॉलिक्यूल्स आर देयर, इसलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. बट इधर पे कैसा है कि ड्यूरिंग हियर मींस ब्रांचिंग इथाइल एंड मिथाइल बोथ विल कम. So that's why here we have to repeat. Di means for 2, tri means for 3, and tetra means again we can say that 4. In this way, rule number 4 is also completed. Clear हुआ? So this is complete information of rule number 4. Now we will discuss here. We will see rule number 5. If we can say that in case of rule number 5, if two substituents are found in equivalent position. If two substituents are found in equivalent position, then lower number is given to the one coming first in alphabetical listing. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? If two substituents are found in equivalent position, then lower number is given to the one coming first in alphabetical order. तो चल अभी जैसे ये है, तो here we can say that ethyl है. And this one is methyl. So here see, correct name is 3-ethyl 6-methyl octane. Here we can say that 3-ethyl. अब suppose यदि मैं नंबरिंग ऐसा करूं, यहाँ देख, ये तो लेफ्ट टू राइट है. सपोज मैंने ऐसा कर दिया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ये स्टेटमेंट का मतलब क्या है कि आप यदि रेड वाली नंबरिंग करते हो तो भी इसको 3 और 6 मिलता है, और ब्लैक वाली करते हो तो भी इसको 3 और 6 मिलता है. In this situation, why we can say that black one is better one? Because in alphabetical order, ethyl will come first. Therefore, black numbering is better as compared to red one. So this one is complete information of, we can say that here is rule number 5. So this one is complete information is related with respect to rule number 5. Now we will discuss in rule number 6. In rule number 6 what will happen? So here we can say that the branch alkyl, है ना? Rule number 6 में क्या आएगा? In case of branch alkyl group can be named by following the above mentioned procedure. Procedure मतलब rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now, however, the carbon atom of the branch that attached to the root alkane is number 1 as exemplified below. As we can say that here means exemplified below. So what is we can say that root alkane here are 1, 2, 3, 4 है ना, और यहाँ पे 1 और 3 नंबर पे कौन है? मिथाइल. Therefore 1, 3 dimethyl butyl will come. Therefore here we can say that 1, 3 dimethyl, here butyl will come. Clear? Now the name of such branch and alkyl group is placed in parenthesis. मतलब क्या करने का? Small bracket. So the name of such branch chain alkyl group is placed in parenthesis while naming the compound. While writing the trivial name of substituents in alphabetical order, the prefix iso. Here which type of prefix we are using? Iso as well as neo are considered to be the part of the fundamental name of alkyl group. The prefix sec and tertiary, in case of here prefix sec and tertiary are not considered to be the part of fundamental name. Clear? Here prefix sec and tertiary will be again be considered not preferable. आई बात समझ में? सी ये तो आपका रूल नंबर 6 हुआ. अगर इसके अंदर कैसा आएगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देखो, here CH3, CH2, then CH2, and here CH2, then CH, here CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, this one is CH, CH2, CH3, and then after we can say that here what will happen? CH2, here CH2, CH3 will be there. Clear? चलो मैं इसकी नंबरिंग करूँ तो देखो नंबरिंग कैसा है यहाँ से. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ये रेड वाला नंबर है. Clear? अब देखो 9 and then after here what will happen? 5 नंबर पे here CH3, CH2, so 9, and then after we can say that here means 10 will come. So this one will be again means 10. उसके बाद आपका क्या आता है? ये देखो, ये है ये. तो यहाँ पे आपका ये ठीक है. तो यहाँ नंबरिंग दूं तो CH2, तो ये 1, 2, 3, 4 जो यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया. क्लियर? अब इसका नेमिंग क्या होगा? क्लियर मीन्स नेमिंग विल बी सी. 5 नंबर पे देखो, क्लियर 5 आएगा, 5 और पैरेंथेसिस में लिखने का 2 ethyl and then after butane, 2 ethyl butane and then है ना 2 ethyl, here we can say that 2, तो 2 ethyl आपका नॉर्मली ब्यूटाइल है, ब्यूटाइल. तो दिस वन इज ब्यूटाइल. 2 ethyl 2 नंबर पे इथाइल है, देन ब्यूटाइल बिकॉज CH2 है, CH3 नहीं है. तो 2 ethyl 5 नंबर पे 2 ethyl, 3 then after 3 dimethyl, 3 ये रहा 3 dimethyl and then after here we can say that decane will come. 3 dimethyl and then after we can say that here means decane will come. Clear? मतलब see, according to rule number 6, first of all find out longest continuous carbon chain and then after this one is branch one, है ना. इसको पैरेंथेसिस में लिखने का कैसे? 5 नंबर पे देखो क्या है? 2 ethyl butyl. Why we are writing on butyl? Because here CH2 is there. Clear? मतलब whenever we are writing here such type of thing in parenthesis, then here means YL will come. Then 3 नंबर पे 2 बार मिथाइल है तो 3 dimethyl and then after decane will be there, है ना. So this is 6th rule. In this way here we can say that naming of branch and alkane is completed. So now we will discuss here means naming D. देखो D situation number D. So now we will discuss here naming of organic compound in case of cyclic condition. Now we will discuss here means naming of organic compound in case of cyclic condition. cyclic कौन सा है? ये वाला. Clear? तो cyclic में कैसा आता है? For example C, जैसे 3 है, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं साइक्लोप्रोपेन. 3 कॉर्नर साइक्लोप्रोपेन, 4 कॉर्नर तो दिस इज साइक्लोब्यूटेन. देन 5 कॉर्नर तो दिस वन इज साइक्लोपेंटेन and then after 6 one is so this is cyclohexane. Clear? So these are again we can select main. These are again we can select main thing. Clear? In cyclic compound, a saturated monocyclic compound is named by prefix cyclo. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे लिखोगे तो cyclo word is again we can say that important. Cyclo. Clear? Now here if sides ends are present then rule given above are applied. Which rule? जो 6 रूल आपने किया है. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? तो नेम ऑफ सम साइक्लो कंपाउंड्स आर गिवन बिलो. जैसे चलो ये कंपाउंड है तो यहाँ पे क्या करने का? ये आया एंड देन आफ्टर हियर सी, इसको हम लोग मिथाइल बोलते हैं. और इसको हम लोग CH2 CH3 1 2 3। तो 3 नंबर पे क्या है? प्रोपाइल। इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? तो दिस वन इज मिथाइल एंड दिस वन इज प्रोपाइल। अब देखो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में कौन आता है? पहले M आता है कि P? तो M, इसलिए उसको लोवेस्ट नंबर दिया है। तो यहाँ पे नाम क्या होगा? हियर वी कैन से दैट 1 मिथाइल, तो दिस वन इज 1 मिथाइल 3 प्रोपाइल। मतलब जितनी भी ब्रांचिंग है पहले आप उसको लिख दो, तो 1 मिथाइल 3 प्रोपाइल एंड देन आफ्टर हियर वी कैन से दैट cyclohexane will come. Here what will happen? 1 methyl 3 है ना, 3 propyl. Here we can say that cyclohexane will come. In this way naming of cyclic compound can be done. So you have to remember one thing. In case of cyclic compound, see ये cyclopropane है, cyclobutane है, cyclopentane है, cyclohexane. उसके बाद देखो अभी जैसे मैं नेमिंग करूं फिर से, आपके वहां एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, तो कौन सा है? हियर सी, तो दिस वन इज कंपाउंड, ये आया एंड देन आफ्टर दिस वन, तो ये मिथाइल मिथाइल और ये क्या है? इथाइल। तो अगेन नाम लिख 1 2 3, तो क्या लिखने का? 1 1 डाई मिथाइल 1 1 डाई मिथाइल 3, हियर वी कैन से दैट 3 इथाइल 1 1 डाई मिथाइल 3 इथाइल and this one is cyclohexane. But here in alphabetical order E will come. So first of all we are writing 3 ethyl, this is 3 ethyl 1 1 dimethyl and then after cyclohexane will come. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? तो which one is again we can say that best one? देखो ये wrong है, 1 1 पहले ये नहीं लिखेंगे, पहले आपको ये नहीं लिखना है, पहले कौन सा लिखना है? ये वाला। क्लियर? बिकॉज इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल E will come and then after M is there. So this is complete information of naming. Correct?